Hey, it's Sharon. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a turkey avocado BLT. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. So we're going to start with cooking 3 strips of bacon in the air fryer. And this is one of my new kitchen gadgets. Oh my god, guys, I love it. I got this one from Costco a couple weeks ago. It is amazing. I will be using Miracle Whip, mayo, a nice fat tomato, an avocado, 2 slices of white bread. I have buttermilk. You're also going to need 2 slices of cheese, and I have some turkey lunch meat. I actually prefer the Thanksgiving turkey breast if you happen to have some of that left over. I'm putting in 3 slices of bacon in the air fryer. So I'm still kind of learning the settings on this, but overall this bacon took about 10 minutes to finish off. Here you're going to see me checking it. This was about 5 minutes in the air fryer. I'm going to give it a little turn. This is about halfway through. Guys, this was actually my first time cooking the bacon in here. It was delicious and it came out so crispy and yummy. So shortly you're going to see me put it back in there, and it's going to cook for another additional 5 minutes or so. All right. Oh my god, it was smelling so good in here. Look at that bacon. It was so crispy and delicious. So I'm taking it out of the air fryer and just gonna put it on a paper towel to absorb some of the extra greases. Oh my god, look at that, girl. Yum. In an air fryer. Yes, ma'am. So here you're gonna see me preparing the bread for the pan. Guys, I should have added more butter. I would say add a tablespoon of butter to each slice of bread. Don't judge me. But you know, I really do eat this stuff like when I make this on video. So sometimes I'm like, oh, I should have added more. And I definitely should have added more butter and more mayo. That's a tip. So here you're going to see I'm going to add more butter on the other side. So I would say about a tablespoon for each slice of bread. Yep, so once you slather them with butter, let's get these babies in the pan so that they can brown. If you have a flat top, you can also use that as well. I just didn't feel like pulling mine out this morning. So once your bread is nice and toasty, it's time to prepare the sandwich. So right here I have an avocado. Avocados are heart-healthy, nutrient-dense superfood. Avocados also contain good fats. They are naturally sodium, sugar, and cholesterol free. So here I sliced the avocado, getting ready to get the pit out of there. Once it's sliced, you're going to twist it just so you can expose the fruit there. Look at that. That was a gorgeous green color. So here I am going to go ahead and get the pit out of there. I just whacked it with the knife and gave it a little twist and it came right out. And now I'm just going to take a spoon to scoop that avocado out and put it on the cutting board. Just going to slice it up in a couple slices. Now we're going to slice up a hot house tomato. Just a couple large slices. I like my slices bigger. You might want to make yours a little thinner. It's to your preference. Here we're going to start building the sandwich. This is some Miracle Whip. I just used a little bit of that. I typically don't use Miracle Whip, but I think it was helpful in this recipe. And then we're going to add mayo. Please add more than you would normally put on your sandwich, because this sandwich is going to be huge by the time we're done. So you want to add a little bit more than you normally would. So we're going to start the sandwich with the lettuce on the bottom, adding the tomatoes on top of the lettuce. And then you want to season your lettuce and your avocado with just a little bit of salt and pepper, because they don't really have much flavor. But remember, we have the bacon, so you don't want to overdo the salt here. And go ahead and lay on that healthy avocado slice. You can add on your turkey breast. Again, this was deli turkey meat, which is fine, but if you have leftover Thanksgiving turkey, I highly recommend that. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos. All right, so let's get the bacon on the sandwich. Oh my God, this bacon came out so good, guys. It was delicious. Adding on the cheese right there, and we got the bread on top. And this is the finished product. Look at that, girl. Oh my God, guys, this was so good. If you make this, try it with the avocado. I have some chips and some pickle on the side. This was my lunch and it was delicious. So guys, I hope you all had a blessed Thanksgiving. I know that 2020 has been difficult for most of us, but you know what? We have to be grateful and thankful in spite of. So you guys, if you make this, leave a message in the comment section and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Bye-bye.